Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Spiritual Nomad podcast and YouTube channel. And today is going to be a talk just about the experiences that I've been having since we've been in quarantine, and just really letting you guys into what's been happening on the interior of my life. And I hope that as I share some of my story that you'll begin to see maybe some things that are happening in your life that maybe you've not even been aware of. Because that's what it's all about. It's about each and every one of us sharing what's happening in the depths of our being and allowing that to inform and help grow those around us. That's what the spiritual life is about. I think it's about knowing the divine in a very deep and intimate way and sharing that with others so that they can then know the divine in a deep and intimate way. And so it's all about God. It's all about people. And I think that that is a worthy thing. And I think that is important. And I think that sometimes we forget about that. We lose track of what this whole spiritual life is about. We think it's about, beautiful Instagrams and the right pictures in the right places with the right captions, with the right, collabs. And it's not really about any of that. This is about a real, deep, ancient, transcendent reality becoming manifested in our life. This is about the God of the universe being deeply known in the incarnation that is us and becoming aware of God's self as me, as you, as us. And so I think that's a really beautiful thing that we lose track of in this very shiny, polished sort of spiritual landscape that we find ourselves in 2020. And I think what the quarantine has done for me is really bring a lot of that back into perspective. It has helped me to just really forget and put to death a lot of the things that I think the ego masks itself as to try to wiggle its way into the places that are supposed to be sacred, that has really no place for the ego to be alive. And so